Panchayat-wise Sample Collection Center (SCC) network across Bihar. Under the Gramin Swasthya Mitra (GSM) program, with district-level Naval Laboratories, Patna and other HQs. 1. Executive Summary. Vision: establish a Panchayat-wise Sample Collection Center (SCC) network, each SCC managed by trained GSM personnel linked to district Naval accredited laboratories, starting with Patna hub and scaling to all district HQs. This ensures last-mile diagnostic access, safe sample collection, and ISO 15189 compliant pre-analytical quality. Coverage: Bihar has 8,200 to 8,500 gram panchayats. For budgeting, we use 8,463 GPs, commonly cited figure in official press documents. Counts vary slightly across years and portals. We note the variance as a planning caveat. Model: hub and spoke. Panchayat SCCs, spokes, block aggregation points, district Naval Labs, hubs. Patna Laboratory serves as the reference hub with full ISO 15189-2022 aligned QMS, other district labs added in phases. People: each SCC staffed with 1 to 2 GSM technicians, 25,000 rupees per month, plus district logistics and QA teams. Fees and starter kit: one time 1,50,000 rupee per SCC for training plus collection kit plus basic IT setup. Revenue: district Naval hubs run full test menus, SCCs collect, stabilize and ship. Conservative test mix pricing in Patna suggests healthy per sample margins. A 50-120 patient per day load at each district hub is realistic after ramp up. Pricing references below. Compliance: built around Naval 112A 112B111 interpretation of ISO 15189-2022 for medical labs, SCCs formally declared to Naval by their associated lab as per policy. Facility design: SCC layout meets clinical establishments sample collection norms, weighting, registration, collection, segregation, cold storage, waste. Naval does not prescribe fixed square footage, area is driven by workflow, biosafety, and patient volume. Our proposal gives pragmatic minimums. Why this works for Bihar GSM: local employment, GSMs, rapid access to quality diagnostics, unified digital reporting, and clean referral pathways. 2 objectives. 1. Provide ISO 15189 aligned sample collection within each panchayat, ensure integrity from patient to analyzer. 2. Reduce diagnostic turnaround time via scheduled pickups and district processing. 3. Standardize biosafety and biomedical waste handling across rural SCCs. 4. Build a financially sustainable diagnostic backbone for the GSM program. 3. Scope and coverage. Geography: all Gram Panchayats of Bihar, budgeting on 8,463 units while acknowledging current functional counts vary by source year, 8,053 to 8,463. We track actuals per district with state PRD updates. Services at SCC: registration, consent, phlebotomy and specimen collection, blood, urine, sputum, swabs, primary labeling, stabilization, refrigeration, transport, media, packaging, cold chain dispatch, and result handover, digital printed. Services at District Naval Lab: analytical testing, QA/QC, validation, report release, clinician help desk, proficiency testing, and CAPA. 4. Governance and operating model. Owner: GSM Society implementing NGO with District Healthcare Managers, DHM, Block Healthcare Managers, BHM, and GSM Technicians. Accreditation: District Labs pursue maintain Naval accreditation per Naval 112A. ISO 15189-2022 SCCs are declared to Naval by the Associated Lab per Naval 111/112B. Signage and claims strictly follow policy. Policies: QMS manual, SOPs, pre-analytical, transport, biosafety, BMWM, risk management, measurement uncertainty, where applicable, IT security, aligning with ISO IEC 27001 where relevant. Regulatory, clinical establishments, where applicable, BMW rules, cold chain and transport compliance, consent, privacy. 5. Human resources and training. SCC staffing. GSM technician, 1 to 2 per SCC, 25,000 rupees per month. Basic eligibility, 10 plus 2, science, plus phlebotomy certificate or DMLT CMLT preferred. Behavioral, patient counseling, consent, confidentiality. District lab staffing, Patna Hub Archetype Lab Director Pathologist, QA Manager, Section Leads, Hematology, Biochemistry, Immunoassay, Microbiology, Phlebotomy Lead, Data IT, Logistics. Training, covered by 1,50,000 rupees SCC fee. ISO 15189 aligned pre-analytical SOPs, sample reception and triage, cold chain and packaging, UN 3373 equivalent practices, incident reporting, internal audits, corrective action, GCLP alignment for good clinical practice in collection. 6. Infrastructure and space planning. 6.1 Panchayat Sample Collection Center, SCC. Note, Naval ISO don't mandate a fixed minimum area for sample collection facilities. Area depends on patient load and workflow. We propose practical minimums meeting clinical establishments' layout elements, weighting, registration, collection, segregation, storage. Recommended minimum area, 20 to 30 square meters to 15 to 325 square feet zones. 1. Reception registration and weighting, 6 to 10 square meters. 2. Collection room with phlebotomy chair, hand wash, sharps container, splash-proof surfaces, 8 to 10 square meters. 3. Sample triage refrigeration and packing bench, 4 to 6 square meters. 4. BMW segregation corner and store, 2 to 4 square meters. Utilities, 24 times 7 power, inverter UPS for 2 to 4 hours, refrigerator 2 to 8 degrees C, internet, primary plus mobile backup, wash basin with elbow taps, hand rubs, PPE storage, CCTV, privacy aware, patient info display. 6.2 District Naval Laboratory, Patna exemplar. Functional minimum, 182 to 50 square meters, 20002 to 700 square feet, for core sections, HAIM, Clin Chain Immunoassay, Microbiology Sample Processing, Sample Accessioning, Stores, Clean Utility, Admin, Server IT, QA and Records. Biosafety, Class 2 Biosafety Cabinet, for TB sputum critical microbiology handling, airflow and segregation consistent with process risk assessments. Patient-facing area, separate from analytical zones, controlled access. IT room and LIS, secured racks, backup power, regular data backup, access controls consistent with ISO 15189 confidentiality clauses. 7. Equipment and starter kit, per SCC, included in 1,50,000 rupees. Phlebotomy chair, venipuncture sets, tourniquets, vacutainers, EDTA, SST, fluoride, citrate, sterile cups, swabs, transport media, labels and barcode printer, IR thermometer, BP apparatus, pulse oximeter, weighing scale, refrigerator, 8 degrees C, cool boxes and gel packs, triple packaging materials, sharps containers, BMW, bins bags, color-coded, surface disinfectants, PP starter stock, gloves, masks, gowns, first aid kit, spill kit, laser inkjet printer, router, tablet PC for LIS app. Signages, safety, consent notice, privacy, BMW segregation, NABLE declaration wording as per policy, only if associated lab is NABLE accredited and SCC is declared. 8. IT, data and QA. LIS, patient registration, test menus, sample ID barcoding, chain of custody, transport timestamping, result receipt, SMS WhatsApp report notification. QMS, ISO 15189 clauses on impartiality, personal competence, equipment metrological traceability, sample handling, non-conformity control, risk and opportunity management, continual improvement, internal audits, external proficiency testing at hub labs, documented transport and temperature logs. 9. Accreditation and regulatory pathway. 1. Set up district lab QMS to ISO 15189 2022, adopt NABLE 112 a criteria, implement internal audits and management review. 2. Declare SCCs to NABLE per NABLE 111/112B, maintain master list, address, hours, staff, equipment, cold chain, competence records. 3. Clinical establishments alignment for facility layout, signage, BMW segregation and patient information. 4. Maintain periodic updates to NABLE on SCCs. Ensure claims are restricted to recognized locations. NABLE press and policy reminders. 10. Document checklist core. A. Quality system QMS manual, quality policy, org chart, role descriptions, competency and training records, equipment lists and calibration verification logs, IQC LJ charts, PT EQA participation, non-conformity CAPA, risk register, internal audit and management review minutes, supplier qualification, document control and retention. B. Pre-analytical, SCC, patient consent and ID procedure, collection SOPs, adult pediatric, phlebotomy competency, sample labeling and barcoding, stability charts, packaging and dispatch SOP, with temperature criteria, transport log, incident and spill management, BMW SOP and manifests, daily checklist, visitor log, declared SCC dossier, address, hours, staff, equipment. C. Regulatory and safety. Clinical establishment compliance records, BMW authorization and tie-ups, fire safety, first aid, electrical safety, ASCOM signage, injury reporting, immunization records for staff, HBV, etc. D. IT and security, LIS SOP, access control, backup and restore, data retention, confidentiality acknowledgements, incident response. 11. Financial model. 11.1 Assumptions. SCC, 1 technician at 25,000 rupees per month, rent and utilities tilde 10,000,15,000 month, rural variance, consumables per patient tilde 4070, tubes, needles, disposables, bags, labels, gel packs, etc. Capex, SCC 1,50,000 rupee training plus kit, as specified, signage and furniture included. District Hub, Patna Core Analyzers, with reagent rental where feasible, annual service included in reagent contracts, logistics van aggregator model for pickups. 11.2 Benchmark price pointers, Patna public listings vary. CBC, tilde 330590, HbA1c, tilde 305500. Packages, Arogyam Swast types 979 to 350 plus. Live references indicate the feasible retail price band in Patna's market. Hub scan price mid-market while offering GSM concessions. 11.3 Daily income, District NABLE Lab, illustrative mix. Scenario A, 80 patients day after ramp-up, steady state. 25 CBC at 400 rupees is equal to 10,000 rupees. 15 HbA1c at 450 rupees is equal to 6,750 rupees. 10 LFT at 600 rupees is equal to 6,000 rupees. 8 RFT at 600 rupees is equal to 4,800 rupees. 10 lipid profile at 650 rupees is equal to 6,500 rupees. 5 thyroid profile T3 T4 TSH at 750 rupees is equal to 3,750 rupees. 7 urine routine at 200 rupees is equal to 1,400 rupees. Daily gross 39,200 rupees. Less reagents consumables logistics EST 35, 45%, net contribution 21,500 rupees to 25,500 rupees per day. Scenario B, 120 patients, day scales proportionally to 58,800 rupee gross, net contribution 32,000 rupees to 38,000 rupees per day, mix dependent. Note: microbiology culture, special immunoassays, and packages can lift ARPE, average revenue per patient, further. Actuals depend on payer mix and negotiated community CSR tariffs. 11.4 SCC unit economics per SCC. Monthly fixed salary 25,000 rupees plus rent utilities 12,000 rupees 37,000 rupees. Variable, say 15 patients day times 26 days is equal to 390 disposables at 55 rupees. 21,450 rupees per month. Revenue share, assume 60 rupees to 100 rupees per sample SCC margin, collection plus first mile logistics contribution via hub contract. At 390 samples with 80 rupee margin 31,200 rupees per month. Add small in-center fees, print copies, home pickup fees, say 4,000 rupees to 6,000 rupees, SCC monthly margin 35,000 rupees to 37,000 rupees, near break-even, at 25 to 30 patients day, SCC becomes comfortably positive. This aligns incentives, SCC pushes awareness camps with GSM, while hubs drive test menus and quality. 12. Logistics and cold chain. Pickup windows, 9 o'clock, 13 o'clock, 17 o'clock from cluster SCCs, gel packs validated. Temperature loggers on random routes, turnaround for routine biochemistry hematology within 24 hours, HbA1c same day where possible. Packaging, triple layer, leak-proof primary, absorbent secondary, rigid outer, temperature records kept, ISO 15189 process control. 13. Biosafety and BMW management. PP policy, needle stick protocol, spill response, vaccination, HBV, tetanus. Segregation per color-coded bins bags, authorized BMW vendor at district SCC maintains manifests and pickup logs. 14. Risk management. Pre-analytical errors, mislabeling, hemolysis, barcoding, checklists, retraining. Power cold chain UPS inverter, transport contingency, gel pack rotation. IT downtime offline capture plus deferred sync, data backups. Regulatory periodic internal audits, SCC list reconciliation with NABLE declarations. 15. Implementation plan, phased. Phase 1, Patna Hub plus 500 SCCs. Pilot clusters, 4 to 6 months. QMS, LIS, Fleet, Training Academy, first cohort certified, NABLE application initiated, transitioned to ISO 15189-2022. Phase 2, 38 district hubs plus 3000 SCCs, months 6 to 18. Local hires, district QA cells, BMW contracts, physician engagement, GP awareness. Phase 3, full GP rollout, ~8, 463 SCCs, months 18 to 36. Optimization, outreach camps, NCD, maternal, referral tie-ups. 16. Monitoring and KPIs. Quality, rejection rate, 95% next day, temperature excursion incidence, 0 tolerance, audit scores. Operations, daily pickups serviced, greater than 98%, SCC uptime, greater than 99%, LIS sync success, greater than 99%. Financial, ARPP, gross margin, SCC utilization, patients day, payer mix, DSO. Impact, rural diagnostic penetration, NCD screening reach, referral closures. 17. NABLE ISO 15189-2022 key specifications to embed. Impartiality, confidentiality, competence, QMS scope, risk-based thinking, documented processes for personnel, equipment, reagents, pre-analytical, analytical, post-analytical phases, measurement uncertainty where applicable, IQC-PT, document control, non-conformities and CAPA management review. NABLE 112A 112B, India-specific interpretation, SCC declaration rules, signage claim restrictions, surveillance update duties. NABLE 111, assessment process for SCC's facilities tied to the accredited lab. Clinical establishments, MOHFW minimum facility elements for collection areas and public info plus safety signage, BMW segregation. 18. Budget, high level. 18.1 SCC per unit. One time, 1,50,000 rupees, training plus equipment IT starter kit. Recurring, monthly salary 25,000 rupees plus rent utilities ~12000 plus disposables patient link. 18.2 district hub, per district archetype. Analyzers, reagent rental preferred, backup centrifuges, refrigerators freezers, biosafety cabinet, LIS server clients, QA kits, furniture, monthly reagents by volume, logistics, vehicle contracted routes. Full state rollout cost depends on phasing, vendor contracts, and reagent rental terms. Detailed BOQ can be expanded per discipline. 19. Stakeholder engagement. Panchayat SCC location, community awareness, grievance redressal desk. District Health Authority, referrals, NCD days, reporting threshold alerts. CSR NGO partners, subsidized packages, camps, and equipment sponsorships. Private providers, sample inflow and specialist referrals under ethical codes. 20. Communication and branding. Standard SCC signage with Hindi-English patient info, QR for report download. NABLE plain wording only if applicable, no misuse. 21. Annexures, templates ready to populate. 1. SOP set, phlebotomy, labeling, stabilization, packing, dispatch, BMW, incident MGMT. 2. Checklists, opening, closing, temperature, cleaning, audit. 3. Training curriculum, pre-analytical and biosafety, 3 weeks plus refreshers. 4. Facility plan drawings, SCC 20 to 30 square meters, district lab 180 to 250 square meters baseline. 5. Document list for NABLE application and SCC declaration dossier. 6. Model contracts, BMW vendor, logistics, reagent rental. 7. Tariff and package sheet, aligned to Patna benchmarks, adjustable by district. 22. Why this DPR is standards ready. Anchored to ISO 15189-2022 and NABLE interpretation 112A 112B 111, including SCC declaration and claims discipline. Facility layout and patient-facing requirements reflect clinical establishments' guidelines. Financials grounded in current Patna pricing bands from well-known providers. Illustrative, quick notes on numbers and assumptions. Panchayat count, sources differ, 8,053 to 8,463. For budgeting we used 8,463 and will true up with PRD's current functional GP list during phase 1. NABLE minimum area not specified by NABLE. We've proposed pragmatic minimums fulfilling workflow, safety, and clinical establishments elements. Daily income based on conservative test mix and public price bands, district hubs with microbiology special assays will outperform. 23. Next actions, practical. 1. Freeze Patna Hub BOQ plus LIS, sign reagent rental modes. 2. Identify first 500 SCC locations with PRD and DHMs, finalize BMW partners. 3. Start training academy for GSN technicians, pre-analytical plus biosafety. 4. Prepare Naval documentation set, initiate SCC declaration list with addresses. 5. Launch pilot, measure KPIs, then scale district by district. Sources, key. Naval 112A, specific criteria for medical labs, ISO 15189, 2022 alignment, and 112B, guidance into SCC claims. Naval 111, recognition assessment process for sample collection facilities. ISO 15189, 2022 overview and requirements, risk-based QMS, competence, process control. Clinical establishments minimum standards, sample collection facility elements and signage BMW. Patna test price benchmarks, CBC, HbA1c, packages from leading providers. Panchayat counts in Bihar, commonly cited 8,463, with other official dashboards showing different functional totals. We reconcile in phase 1 ground validation.